record. Alright, so we're on our way to PetSmart.
Spider-Man.
We're on our way to PetSmart.
Michael Jordan.
I should be in a clothes because I'm an animal.
Yo, look. Michael Jordan.
Bro, you better stop touching me. So, we're on our way to PetSmart because we're going to do what? What we doing, London?
Michael Jordan.
Hey, who dog that look like?
That one right there, the black one, but that thing. Well, I think that one I got down here.
Where you guys going? That is not PetSmart.
We're in a Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby don't got what we're looking for.
Oh yeah, that's not Hobby Lobby. What are we looking for?
We need the dog biscuits.
We got what you're looking for.
The dog biscuits.
See, that PetSmart where the dog.
No, that's not PetSmart. That's 150 cents.
We need to be looking for dog biscuits because what's going to happen, we're going to see who can pick out the best dog biscuit.
And you gonna
best
eat 'em?
taste of the. Yeah, I
Mom's
figure out.
not gonna allow me to eat one.
Yeah, yes, you will. If it's organic, don't try it. It's organic. It's organic dog biscuit. Deshaun, what's that? What do you see?
Goldfish.
That is not a goldfish. What is it, Aria? Beta fish?
Goldfish right here.
It's still a beta fish, boy.
It's a goldfish. Look.
Yeah, you remember this fish?
Beta fish.
It says goldfish.
You see a turtle?
Where's the snake?
Oh, the snake. Oh, yeah.
I want the snake.
It's a python.
Daddy, can we get a green tree
Oh,
frog?
can we get a million?
How much is a
This
million?
tree frog is $10. If millions are so $80.
Looks so cool.
I'm saving up so I can get one of these.
Oh, you guys, look at the tree frog. Look.
Oh, look how pretty these are.
Green tree frog. So freaking cool.
I'm
What do
saving
you
up.
guys see?
Oh, it's a purple leopard gecko.
What you see? Oh, he's hiding. Look, can you guys see him?
Look, I'm saving
He's
up.
hiding.
Oh, baby
Yeah, I'm saving up for it.
Sean, what the bird do? Yeah. The bird look confused.
Do the wow.
He's over you. Look at the little birdies. But what I found, Deshaun, the perfect one. They got sprinkles. They got frosting on it.
No, I need this one.
You wouldn't eat that one.
No, y'all just get this one. We all split it.
This one is peanut butter with crunchy, delicious sprinkles.
My peanut butter.
You'll eat that one?
Wait, what is it?
Okay, let's see what else we got. What you got? What is that? A dinosaur bone? What is that?
I don't know
What bone that
A
come
cow
from?
bone.
Deshaun, what you got? What is that? That's ostrich, but look what else I see. What is this?
Crocodile jerky.
Crocodile jerky. Oh, we got
That
the
one. Bucky jerky.
Bucky jerky.
Bucky Juggy? My daddy let me eat that all the time. My daddy let me eat Bucky Juggy.
Ooh, they got wild boar, man. Right, the purple one up under that one. Look, they got wild boar. Freaking wild boar. Dogs are eating great. Calicorn Malibu. Only you guys can get pet birds. We can eat these instead of the dog cookies.
No, Dr.
Put them in my mouth.
No, Dad. Can I get a honey crab?
There's one right there.
No, I'm actually not kidding.
Look, I'm catching wild
You are dead on.
Mommy, where can I
Are you gonna bite?
Actually, I'm gonna make sure.
As the wild animal approaches his prey, he assumes his prey with such precise
Bloop bloop precision. Bloop bloop
precision.
bloop 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 bloop
Ready to attack by
Bloop, bloop.
singing the bloop bloop song
bloop bloop
to
bloop
his
bloop.
prey.
They think it's food. Look.
You saw so he's setting up his Yeah, it's only 7.
It's not about that.
On tablet.
It's definitely about
Look
taking
at
care of it.
I want that one.
I'll put this in my Hey, Deshaun loves these.
I'll take care of it.
I love it.
No.
I'll put it in my pocket and put this in there.
I love snakes.
It's so cute. I will hold it.
You guys are. I'm gonna leave them
Oh,
here.
mommy, look. It's a leopard gecko. Perfect.
Okay, so this is a fun fact. I had 8 betta fish when I was little. They all died, and I named them the same name over and over and over. Guess what the name was?
Beta fish. Beta.
Booger.
Beta.
Starts with a B.
Blue.
I said beta.
Bubbles.